Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well today. If you're like me and you just got a Honda Accord used, maybe you got it off a friend or something, and you've got a stock radio in it that you like to still use, but it's got a code, or it requires a code to be used, then I suggest looking in your glove box. I've got a card here with a code on it, but I've seen them glued to the inside of the glove box before, and I've seen them glued to these user manuals. I've seen them tucked in the user manuals. I've seen them wrote on the first page of the user manuals. So, yeah, you might want to try looking in there. Also, I've heard there's a guy on eBay that can, for a price, retrieve your codes to your radio if you can provide him with the VIN number and possibly some numbers on the back of the radio. The dealership may also be able to help. Not really sure. Yeah, once you get your code, just pop it in and she'll work the way she's supposed to. And honestly, if you don't find the code laying around the car somewhere, it may just be better just to get you an aftermarket radio. For what it's worth, they're honestly better than the stock radios these days, and you can get a real good one for like 60, 80 bucks. But, yep, there you have it.